Hey man, my name's Dylan. I'm with Post Falls SEO. I talked to you yesterday on how we can make your website blow up a little bit. I just wanted to go over a few things on how you can do that. Just a few tips and tricks. I'll make it short. I know you're out there and working. You're pretty busy, so we're gonna go over three things. We're gonna go over content, backlinks, and citations. The first thing, content. Google does like to see anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. Looks like you got about 200 to 300 words on here. Could use a little improvement. Website looks good though. So basically, between those 1,500 to 2,000 words, you want to put keywords in, relevant keywords like remodeling Bellevue. Because that's, people are searching it up a lot. It's a pretty relevant search for your business. So you want all the best keywords in those 2,000 words. So I have this cool little tool here. So it looks like you got about 12 keywords in your website. If we click on these, you got a few good ones in here. Restoration Seattle. It looks like it gets 600 views a month, but you are in 71st position, so you're on the 7th page. So going into the second thing we're going to talk about, it's kind of relevant to keywords. It'll basically boost this, so instead of being on the 7th page, you'll start moving up, and then soon you'll make it to the first page and be getting traffic and customers from it. And that's backlinks. So we go back here, if it'll load. There we go. You got about 112 backlinks and 43 referring domains. So we go into these backlinks. Backlinks are basically another website linking to your website. They're not all created the same, as you can see. This one's 90, this one's 46. A good example would be another construction company referring to your website would be more relevant than a pizza company referring to your website. So you want, the more the better. So if we check out your competitor here, he's got 192 backlinks. A little bit more than you, but we can definitely beat him. Click on here. Yeah, we can get the better ones out of here and beat them out. We can basically take these and put your business into them and completely dominate him. Instead of getting 192 what he has, we can get 300. Just so you're always on top on the first page and getting all that traffic. The third thing I want to talk about is citations. Let's see here. Citations have to do with this little spot right here called the map pack. Citations are basically your business name, your business address, and phone number listed in different directories. So, for example, Yelp, Yellow Pages, websites like that. So, as you build those citations, Google will see those on your website, and it'll start growing you. So it knows that you're relevant. So once you grow, you'll be passing all these guys up because they're our competition. We're going to beat them out. So we'll get you on top here, generating you more leads, more traffic, and more business, more money. And that's what we aim for. So you can take this information and do what you want with it. You can do this on your own, or you can give me a call or text. If you could give me some sort of feedback on this video, I'd appreciate it. And have a good one, man.